Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler, and today we're going to discuss the 1970 Ford Galaxie. This was made by AMT. There's a lot of different versions here, from 1971 to 2021. All these different versions we're going to talk about. All right, stick with us. We're going to discuss them all. This kit came out in 1971. It looks just like this on the package. This is a retro package from 2012. Kit number 788. 788-12 also came out in this packaging, but in 2020. Let's take a look at that version. That's what this is here. Let's open it up. Now, as we can see, this is the main difference between the two. The original issue only came with these decals here. This version is the only version you can get. CHP, Chicago, New York, and there's also another one in there. Oh, Las Vegas, Nevada, right there. This is the only version that comes with this decals, and it comes with this box, mini box. Other than that, this is identical. Windows, police equipment. Regular tires. It even still comes with the screws to bolt it together. And this is molded in white plastic. Right here. There. Okay, this is the 2020 version. 2012 version is really similar, except the box does not say this on it. Right here. It says Retro Edition, like this one. Well, let's take a look at the other versions. Okay, this version here is from 2005. As you can see, the packaging is slightly different. Again, molded in white. One decal selection, and this is the difference in the packaging. Right there, it says Stevens International, official Ford product, AMT there. And take a look at what I discovered. Look the same, right? Look at those packaging. They're flipped. Flip it around here and show you. Look at that. Completely opposite. Now this Stevens International kit is kit number 38466. And it only comes with one set of decals for the Michigan State Police. Let's open that up. Okay, this is the 2005 issue. So it comes with this decals. And see, actually, this is not round 2. This is RC2 at the time. Was putting this wax paper on the decals, thinking to protect it. And then all it did was stick to it and ruin them. See there? You can't get that off there. These are ruined. And then there's the Stevens International logo there. And again, identical kit, molded in white. These are great kits. Let's keep moving. Now this is the taxi version. I've already built this, but this is a neat kit too. On this version, they've eliminated all the police equipment, but added some additional features. Like the luggage, taxi decals, and some other equipment in there. It's pretty neat. There it is. Taxi meter, wheels and hubcaps, taxi sign for the roof right here. Still has that big 429 engine in it. And this is molded in yellow. Let me show you. I've already built this, but I do have some pieces left. There. See that yellow plastic? And the instructions are slightly different. Other than that, identical kit. I actually prefer this version because I think the luggage is pretty neat. This is the 007 version. Again, identical kit, except for Las Vegas PD decals that come with it, and it's molded in blue. Packaging slightly different. This big, large decal sheet here. Diamonds are forever. You could probably cut that out. That'd be pretty neat. And then over here, same artwork, that it's just painted a different color background. That's all. Let's open it up. See there? Molded in blue. Other than that, identical stuff. Same police equipment, same wheels, same tires. Everything in this is the same. And this is kit number 1172M/12 on this one. The chrome tree identical. Lights. Not sure why it includes 4 taillights, but it does have it. And there's that blue plastic. So if you don't want to paint this, that's pretty cool to use that blue plastic. But I always paint mine there. Let me show you the decals. Here's the decals. Las Vegas PD only. But it does give you enough decals to do 2 vehicles, because there's all these badges. So that's pretty neat. Here's the build-ups I did of this. Here's the Galaxie taxi cab here. This turned out really well. This particular one, I glued the hood shut and used the engine pan piece that looks like a fake engine in there. And I added some figures in to drive it, and along with this striping package, the checkerboard. This one's straight out of the box. This one I added the engine, the big 429 engine. Turned out really well. This is straight out of the box, using everything from the kit. The Las Vegas PD, the number 3, all this is included in this kit. Great looking car when it's finished. Well, I hope you enjoyed me talking about the 1970 Ford Galaxie by AMT. This is a great kit, and I hope you enjoyed them too. Till next time, this is the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.